Alright guys, well today we're going to be deleting all the coolant lines that we don't need. So I'm going to be deleting the one that goes across the timing chain cover. I'm going to delete some from the throttle body. And if you look under the engine, I would say I would be deleting all this, but I don't have the fitting with me right now because you just delete this whole thing. This basically warms up the oil, which I'm in Arizona. I do not need my oil even hotter, so I'm going to be deleting this in the future, but you need to get the fitting, and this deletes this hose, and there's another hose on the other side, but you would want to delete this as well. I'm gonna just go ahead, take this cover off, take the intake off, take the throttle body off, which is just like 4 bolts and the plug, and then I'll go from there. All right, got the cover off, the little sway bar, and the intake. So next thing is just to disconnect the throttle body, which I'll do that right now. But all you gotta do is take these 4 bolts off, from the bottom to the top, take that guy out. Do not touch the little butterfly thing, don't touch it. And then I got some throttle body cleaner that I'm gonna just clean the inside and outside of it, and then we'll go from there. Now this is one of the ones you're gonna be plugging up, this guy, and it goes right there. So I'm gonna put one plug there, one plug here, and right here in the bottom gonna plug this guy up, which is the one that goes in front of the timing cover, and I'm gonna take this guy off, plug that guy, and now those are 2 coolant lines you just deleted. And I think there's 1 or 2 more on the throttle body. All right, let's start with this guy right here. Oh, yep, there we go. All right, and then it should come right off. Okay. I'm gonna just pull it off and then plug it right away. Alright, got this one all plugged up. Now just gotta take it off the little clips right here, and then do the same thing right here, and then plug that one. Just went ahead, pulled it off. Gonna put the cap on this one. There we go. Alright, and I just put this guy on there, and that one's done. Now I just gotta unclip all this, which I might have to do off camera. Alright, got it off. Just a little tin right here and this clamp right here, and that's it. Now I'm gonna just go ahead and take this little bracket off just by taking this, looks like a 17. Just take that guy off, take the bracket off, and put the bolt back in. Take the bracket off, it's right here. It's garbage. I also went ahead tying the clamp down. That's done. Now we're gonna move on to taking off the throttle body. Okay, well I guess none go to the throttle body, but they're behind the throttle body. So we're going to be deleting this hose, this hose. We're going to be plugging the other side, which you can't see, but it's right there. It should be pretty simple. Got the throttle body off, and I just got to use some throttle body cleaner just to clean the inside. It's pretty dirty. Got this from work, so may as well put it to use. Let's start with this guy. I already went ahead, took the clamp off, and let me get the plug ready. Yep, there we go. Let's put this guy facing up somewhere. Now I gotta put a clamp on this one, which I don't have any, so I gotta run to the store and buy some because I only have big ones, and I'm pretty sure this one is not gonna fit on here, but that one's done. Now I just gotta take it off from here. And I'm gonna just do that right now. Alright, that one's off. Let me get the plug ready. Might have to buy more plugs. So I tried pulling it and it wouldn't come off. A little trick you could do is just get the hose and you wanna turn it until it breaks loose. And as you can see, it broke loose. Now, just gotta pull this guy off. This one's out. Now I just gotta plug it, and we're done. That's it. Now I'm pretty sure, yep, this guy's too big, so I gotta buy smaller clamps. So 2 down and 1 to go, I think, which is this guy right here. Went to the store and bought a whole nother kit, and I got all that just to get these 2. Now they do sell smaller ones, but the smaller kit did not come with 2 of these, only came with 1. And the big kit comes with 2 small ones, so I had to buy the whole thing again. But at least now you guys know. Now I just gotta go ahead and continue where I left off. I just gotta take this hose off from the other side, and that's pretty much it. Put these 2 plugs in, put a clamp, and that's good. Put the throttle body back on. I already went ahead and cleaned it with throttle body cleaner. But that's pretty much it, you guys. And I am gonna be wire tugging the engine, so stay tuned for that video. Other than that, give this video a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.